Your tasks are scattered. They're in your emails, your Teams, your chats, and your sticky notes on your desk. It's overwhelming, and frankly, it's why you're feeling behind. But what if I told you that I already have the perfect system to fix this without buying a single new app? Today, I'm showing you my personal triple thread system to stay 100% organized. I'm Keijzers, Microsoft MVP. In the trenches of digital transformation, I see business leaders and IT pros drowning in tasks spread across 5 different apps. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact system I use at KbWorks to keep my projects on track using only the tools you already paid for. Step 1. Stop leaving emails in your inbox as a reminder. It creates mental clutter. Instead, you just flag them. So here we go. We just give it a flag. And then we can even say in which day. So let's give it a flag today. What happens directly when it's done flagging? It will automatically move it to my to-do list. This always helps me create an inbox 0 while knowing exactly what needs my attention later. And later on, I will show you a different tip around that. So the email was secret sauce. And I think we have to wait a little bit because it needs to sync. Here is it. I can add it to my day. So if I add it to my day, then it's clear I have to do something with it. I come back to add my day. But then there's the next thing, and the next thing is for bigger projects. And I use a simple planner board. You don't need to have the premium license for this. Just create buckets to do, doing, and done. The magic happens when I assign a task to myself. So like this, it instantly syncs to the same to-do app as my flagged email. Everything is finally coming together. Here we are. Let's see if it's already there. Assign to me, create a video. And then, of course, the secret sauce, which I already mentioned a few times, is I open my day. And here I directly see what's on my plate for today. This is something where I put on my 3 top priorities, and I check it every morning. So I have only those 3 things to do. Those 3 things are the most important ones, and it all comes together here. But now I want to give you one more tip on this, because if we go to Outlook and we go here to my calendar, and I already did it in a previous demo, but I go to my to-do, and when it's ready, here you see my emails again, and or my day items. And what I can do now is just drop and drag them directly into my day. So it's not even my day which I plan the 3 items, but I also directly have them in my calendar marked as to do. This claims time in my calendar, it's not bookable, and make sure I do my task. So this is my system. It isn't about working harder, it's about making your tools work for you. If you are interested in Copilot and you want to know more about Copilot, you can download my checklist, and you will be subscribed to my newsletter, where you will find get some more tips on everything around Copilot, the productivity suite, planner, to do, SharePoint, Teams. I will keep you up to date on that. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.